Hello friends, this set, Kevin set, this is the complaint blank picture. I switch on the power supply and power is on, but there is no picture. Okay, the black light is the backlight is on. Okay, see here. Okay, the backlight is on. Okay, this is panel complaint, and this is single cough लो बजट पैनल है. Here we must check the voltage. Okay, okay, I set the meter in voltage range. Okay, switch off the TV. Okay, put the negative prod into the ground section. Okay, the set is on, but there is no picture. Okay, I can check 3.3 volt section. Here 3.3 volt is there. Okay, and this is 1.8 volt. This is also okay, and AVDD voltage is 15 volt. This is absent. Okay, see, there is no 15 voltage. 15 voltage we getting here. Okay, I switch off. See, here AVDD voltage, I put the prod and then I switch on the TV. See, once the voltage is come and gone. Okay, this AVDD voltage is absent. In this complaint, the Cough, side cough is not there in the panel. In this panel, very low budget panel it is. Side cough is not there. This is inside the panel. It is complaint in the CKV lines. Okay. How to check the lines in the panel? Okay, let's open this we must check the PF capacitors in the board, then we go to the panel. Okay, in this continuity section we keep the meter and check all the capacitors what is here in the board. See, there is no short. See, okay, don't show any capacitors with short connection. Okay, okay, opposite side. Oh, there is no. Okay, 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 good, good. Okay, opposite side. There is no. Okay, good. I think there is no short in the PF. Okay, now we can trace the CKV line where it is. Here is the information which is the CKV line. Okay, see here 4 plus 6 7 testing points are there. Here also 6 testing points are there, and in the upper side there is a 6 testing points are there. See, here all information is given, which is CKV, CKV2, CKVB2, STVB, SCOW, all information is given here, and as per this information, here are the points we are suggested. And you check the pins in the YouTube also. Okay, the panel number is there here, and we can access this panel number. We can get all the information in the internet. We can count the numbers from here: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. Thirteen to 18 pin we must cut it. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. From 13 to 18, 13 15 16 17 18. Okay, we must cut here five wires. Okay, okay. Sir? Sir? 5 pins we are cutting. Thirteen, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. In this cutting, we have same complaint. Then we soldered all the pins and cutting another side. Okay, okay. We must check the continuity of the cutting. See, there is no continuity. There is no continuity. There is no continuity. Okay, like this we must check all the connections. Okay, then we switch on the TV and see here. See in the mirror the displays come. Okay, we put the signal, then we check. Okay, thank you. See, this is the picture. The set is good. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and support me to share my channel to your friends. Thank you very much.